Welcome, welcome back. If you're not new here, welcome to another Quiet Crochet Friday with me. I'm Sandra, the designer behind Sandra Stitches, and we are here in a Quiet Crochet Friday video, which means that we are going to be sitting here and crocheting with a little bit of music in the background, maybe chatting a little bit, just to have somebody to crochet with, right? Because we need a break in the middle of the day. So this is what we're doing. Every Friday I post these videos and you can just sit with me and crochet. Bring your current project and let's just crochet together. As you can see, we have a very, very sunny day today. Not so sunny, but very bright. And I am crocheting, preparing for a tutorial for a bag, my waffle Japanese knot style bag. So while I am working and preparing for the tutorial, I have to prepare all the parts ahead of time or in between. So this is what I'm doing now. I have to finish this part of the bag and then go back to the tutorial. So I thought, why not sit here? I'm going to be sitting and crocheting quietly anyway. So why not film it and you can join me. So this is what's happening here. Just a quiet crochet Friday. Sometimes I tell you what's going on here in my life or here where I live. Sometimes we just sit down and crochet quietly. I know that when I'm crocheting, I like to watch videos of other crafters, sometimes crochet crafters, sometimes I watch videos of, true crime stories, all kind of videos that I like to watch while I'm crocheting, but I really like to follow and watch all these videos of the young crocheters, their vlogs. They tell about what's going on every day of their life. I just like people's stories, so it's nice. This is a small bag, so it's not going to be very long, and I'm using 2 strands, so it's very sturdy. Very dense fabric. If you want, you can tell me in the comments what you're working on, what is your current project, and maybe even put a photo so we can all, appreciate what you're working on. And that's it. Just tell me in the comments how you are, how was your week, so we can connect a little bit. Now there is music in the background. Sometimes I use royalty-free music from YouTube because, I don't want to get in trouble. So I use the royalty-free, and I try to find tracks that are, nice for background. It's very bright, but the skies are full with clouds. We were supposed to have a sandstorm here. I don't know. I don't know what's going on. So today, this is morning for me now. I'm filming in the morning. It's a Wednesday. Look how beautiful. So I have some time to work on this project. I'm filming all the parts. And then I have to go out for a doctor appointment and some shopping. And what's this? And then we'll see what else. Come back home, cook some lunch, have some lunch, and we'll see what's going on. I don't really have any more plans. I have a lot of work to do, like computer work. I have a lot of new designs that I have to write patterns for. So I have plenty of things to do. So we'll see. I was watching last night show on Netflix, Scandinavian show. I think it's called Equinix, something like that. So strange. It's not categorized as a sci-fi, but you know, it's not a thriller, it's kind of a drama, but so dark. Oh, I love Scandinavian shows. They're really good. But their stories are always have some kind of darkness in them, some strange things. And this one was very strange. And I think I watched it before, but I couldn't remember what was going on at the end and what happened. So I watched it again, and I still can't wrap my head around what actually happened there, because it ended in a kind of, with a question mark. But you don't really know. You have to think about what really happened there. So it's good. They are very good. They are very different. Not your typical Netflix drama, Hollywood, Hallmark show. Not different. More intense and a little bit dark. Okay, we're making progress. So it was kind of, I just couldn't, I went to sleep and I kept thinking about it. It was very strange story, because they have all these, ancient beliefs with gods and everything, pagans, all kind of pagans, pagan rituals. It's Danish. So if you watch the show Vikings, so maybe you will know what I'm talking about. But this show, it's in present time, right? It's a story, but wow, very dark, very strange, kind of psychological thriller. It's not a thriller, but I don't know. Strange, but good. You know, if you keep thinking about the show after you watch it, so probably it was good. And not some random whatever. Because Netflix is full of random whatever shows, in my opinion, anyway. So tell me in the comments if you like, you know, Nordic, Scandinavian shows and how you feel about them. I like them. I'm working 2 strands, so you can feel, I can feel my hands getting a little bit tired because you have to pull strong with force. You put much more force into your fingers and how you work. The tutorial maybe will be already in the channel before this video goes out, because these videos I just film whenever I'm working on something, so I sit down and film these videos, and you know, I schedule them ahead of time when I have time to sit down and crochet for, you know, 15-20 minutes straight and be in front of the camera. So if you like what I'm working on, just check the channel. Maybe the tutorial is already there. It's a Japanese style bag using the waffle stitch, so it's super cute. And yeah, maybe the tutorial is already, probably is already out there in the channel. Now these Quiet Crochet Fridays are part of a series, so every Friday you have a new video, so you can watch them one after the other if you have a long session of crocheting. So you can hear me rambling all kind of stories, and yeah. Okay, how long have we been? This one is going to be short. I want to make them 15 minutes, not longer, because first of all, you are busy, I know, and also because these are kind of chatting or quiet videos, think it's better if they are not very long. Anyway, look how beautiful. I'm loving this. Anyway, so please subscribe to my channel if you like my content. There are tutorials every Wednesday. There is the Quiet Crochet Friday video, and for the months of April, May, maybe the beginning of June of 2026, we are having a crochet along. Each Monday, a new video for a stitch sampler blanket, so maybe you want to follow that. Whatever, look around. I hope you enjoy this and subscribe to my channel, give it a thumbs up, and leave a comment so I can connect with you. Anyway, have a great week, and I will see you next Friday. Bye!